The most commonly used phrasal verbs, Part 2. Beginner level. Wake up. Wake up. Definition: to stop sleeping and become conscious. Example sentences: I usually wake up at 6 a.m. on weekdays. Synonym: awaken. Show up. Show up. Definition: to appear or arrive, especially when expected. Example sentences: I hope everyone shows up for the meeting. Synonym: arrive. Put on. Put on. Definition: to wear clothes, to get dressed in clothing. Example sentences: she put on her coat before going outside. Put on your raincoat, it's pouring outside. She put on her favorite dress to the party. Synonym: arrive. Take off. Take off. Definition: to remove clothing, to take off clothes or shoes. Example sentences: please take off your shoes before entering the house. Take off your headphones so we can chat for a minute. Synonym: remove. Look after. Look after. Definition: to take care of someone or something. To care for a person, pet, or object. Example sentences: my grandparents will look after the kids while we're on vacation. The vet will look after your pet while you're on vacation. Synonym: care for. Throw away. Throw away. Definition: to discard something as rubbish, to dispose of something unwanted. Example sentences: throw away the expired yogurt before you eat it by mistake. Synonym: discard. Fill out. Fill out. Definition: to complete a form, to write information on a form. Example sentences: please fill out the application form completely. You can fill out the job application online before your interview. Synonym: complete.